Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to share a very small important module which helps a lot of business to share some of the information to customer and some of the information is hidden. So the module is from our own Odoo Community Association. The name of module is Sale Order Line Hidden in Report. What this module will do? After installation, when you go to your sales order and your quotation, you will get this particular column display in report. And over here, you wanted to hide some of the product line which you will deliver, but you don't want to show to your customer. So let's check if I am creating one quotation right here, and then I am planning to give this particular product for free. So I am making 100% discount. So once the price becomes zero, this toggle button will be available. Based on this toggle button, if it's on, then for customer preview, this product will be visible. And when I hide this particular toggle, it will not be visible in customer preview. So it is hidden. And the benefit is when I am confirming this sales order, it will still go into delivery. I deliver it and I create invoice. So in invoice also, it will be not available, and you can confirm your invoice. And when you print that invoice, you will see that that particular product line will not be visible in your print report. So you can safeguard, like you are giving some free material to customer, but you want to hide those particular lines which is pricing as zero. Then this module, it's available for version 19 also, in previous version, which you can install and utilize this particular small functionality to delight your customer. And you can carry your sales people and sales teams process for creating a good sales order without those lines, still deliver, still consider in invoice, and then hidden from all report and view. If you want to download this, I will share the link of this module in my video descriptions. Enjoy that. If you have any query, reach out to us at techvidya.com or my YouTube and LinkedIn channel. Thank you guys. Good day.